recovering audio recordings from a TASCAM Portastudio, SP4 Files, store complete multi-track project data from these popular portable recorders. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open and work with these TASCAM Portastudio project files. A quick note, our segment will highlight the immense value of having one comprehensive file inspector that can instantly handle stubborn errors across many different file extensions. An SP4 file is a project file created by TASCAM Portastudio digital multi-track recorders, such as the DP01 or DP02 models. Musicians and audio engineers use this file to save their multi-track recordings, including individual audio tracks, panning, and volume settings for later editing and mixing. The SP4 format is a proprietary binary container designed to manage multiple uncompressed audio streams, UAV, and associated project metadata. This structure allows the hardware to efficiently access and manipulate individual tracks in real time, preserving the integrity of the original recordings for non-destructive editing. The reference software for validating SP4 integrity is TASCAM Portastudio from TASCAM, TAC Corporation. Full rendering of all file components is dependent on dedicated proprietary software. Windows supports simple listening for many formats, though full control requires audio-focused applications. We'll conduct a full scan of potential openers now. Right-click your SP4 file and select Open With. Test TASCAM Portastudio if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates application guesswork. If the SP4 file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. Alright, the simple solution is out. We need to isolate the issue with the SP4 file. Move on to these essential troubleshooting measures right away. Or file, move. First, opening in TASCAM Portastudio. Load the SP4 file directly on a compatible TASCAM Portastudio device by inserting the SD card or connecting the device to the computer with the original project folder structure intact. The Portastudio reads the SP4 project file and loads all track settings and configurations for continued recording or mixing. Next, importing into a DAW. Use the TASCAM provided software or manually import the WAV files referenced by the SP4 project into a DAW like Reaper Pro Tools or Logic Pro. Recreate track layouts using the SP4 metadata as reference. This approach allows full editing in modern audio production environments. Finally, converting through TASCAM software. Install any TASCAM utility software shipped with your Portastudio model. These tools often include project export functions converting SP4 projects to standard formats, like AAF or OMF for compatibility with major DAWs while preserving track structures and basic mix settings. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.